Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So I'm starting off with the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight shampoo. I actually really love this shampoo. I featured it in one of my wash day videos on here before, so if you want to go ahead and check that video out, I'll leave that linked down below. So yeah, I really love this shampoo. It is a stripping shampoo, honestly, so if you guys don't like stripping shampoos, it's not it for you. But for me, I like a good stripping shampoo because I use a lot of gels and stuff, so I like to get it all clear and clarified and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse that out thoroughly, okay, and prep my hair for deep conditioning. Okay, so now we're going in with the Wash Day Delight Jelly to Cream Conditioner. And when I saw that they were coming out with this, I was super excited because like I love the shampoo, so I was really excited to try this conditioner. Now listen, the slip on this bad boy is crazy. Like I was not expecting it. I mean, on the jar it says it's a dream detangler, but like, you know what I'm saying? Okay. The slip, crazy. I just want to point out I did not pre-poo or anything. I literally just went in with the shampoo and yeah, just for the purpose of the video. Like I wanted to see if the conditioner actually does detangle because it does say it's a dream detangler. So I didn't pre-poo or anything. I just went straight in with shampoo and then conditioner after, and I'm shook at how easy it detangles my hair, like crazy. So now I'm just doing all the sections, twisting it up, and then I'm going to put my plastic cap on and go sit under my hot head, and I'll be back to rinse it on out. Okay? Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and rinse my hair out. I'm going to keep the twist in while I rinse it out just to keep my hair detangled because anybody got time for that, okay? So yeah, just going to rinse it out and look at look. My hair looks so juicy, like it looks so good. Like look at it. Oh. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, so I'm out of the shower and I'm super excited to style my hair, okay? So I'm going to be using the new, okay, hold on, there it is right here. The new Carol's Daughter, the Coco Creme. It is a curl, it's called a curl shaping cream gel. Listen, I wasn't expecting to find this. I was just looking for the deep conditioner, and then I saw this on the Carol's Daughter website, and I was like, what? A cream gel from the Coco Creme line. Listen, if y'all know, I love the coil enhancing moisture butter from this line. So to see this was very exciting for me. Very exciting for me. So pray for me, okay? I don't have any leave-in conditioner on. I just deep conditioned using their new Wash Day Delight deep conditioner. I was gonna put the moisture butter underneath it, but I want to see how the product acts on its own. So yeah, and it's supposed to give moisture. Like the whole Coco Creme line is amazing for moisture, by the way. Love the mask that comes with that. So I'm gonna stop talking and get right to it, okay? See that? Oh my gosh. Okay, so we got some on our hands. Okay, so the application feels weird. Let me use a little bit more. I'm gonna use about that much because I'm not really sure what is going on. Okay, I just needed to use a little bit more. Okay, girl. Y'all had me work for a second. Hold on. Huh. It's giving me definition, but it's giving me frizz. Look, it's giving me definition, but it's definitely still giving me frizz. Okay. Okay. Maybe I should have put the moisture butter underneath it, because the moisture butter does give like some hold, but I just wanted to see how it reacts. Yeah, it's giving definition, but no. All right, so here we have the butter, and I guess I'll add the butter on top of this because I already added it, but I'm gonna add just like that much, and let's see what happens. The butter will help to, I don't know, but it ain't it for me. All right, that's it, I guess. We're gonna go ahead and move on. So we're gonna add the butter first, then we're going to add the gel. So about that much. I still feel like that probably is a bit too much butter, but it's okay. Okay, so I'm all done, and this is what it's looking like. I don't have high hopes. I'll be honest with you, I don't have high hopes. I feel like it's gonna be one of those wash and goes where you're not gonna get any hold. I feel like it's not gonna hold, you know what I'm saying? It's still giving a little frizz, okay? And I'm hoping that I don't have any flaking or residue. So yeah, you know what though, this would be a very good combo with wet line. I mean, wet line pairs so well with most things, so look out for that. I'm gonna do that combo maybe on my next wash day. So yeah, I'm gonna take this pin, whatever it is, and I'm gonna clip my bangs away. Okay, there we go, just so it can stay over there. So you know how they say don't touch your hair when it's wet? This is one of those. You definitely do not want to touch your hair when it's wet. It's gonna, and look at me touching it. Look at me touching it. Don't touch it. It's gonna frizz. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and sit under my dryer, and I'll be back when it's all dried. So I have some flaking. Like when I do this, I see the flakes. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I can see the flakes. So I probably shouldn't have used the butter with it. Look at that, you see the little white stuff under there. Or I probably shouldn't have used so much. It does feel a little slightly crunchy, but not like a crazy crunch. Like I feel like if I were to blow this out, like it would be soft as heck. I'm gonna attempt to stretch it with some heat. Not that I have that much hair to stretch, but I don't know, I need to do something to it. It's stiff, it's crunchy, and it's not it. So okay, so I'm back and I stretched my hair. Okay. The flaking is horrendous. It's horrible. The flaking is horrible, and it's probably because honestly I put a lot of this. I put a lot of the gel and then I mixed it with the butter, so because I was trying to get it to be defined. It's defined, yes. Okay, let's not. It's definitely defined. And surprisingly, after I stretched it, there's still a hold. I was not expecting that. Okay? But the flaking, it's just, it's everywhere. Like, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's, yeah, the flaking is horrible. I'm gonna try it on dry hair, not dry but like damp, almost dry hair, and I feel like the water kind of thinned the product out, so I felt like I had to keep applying more, so that's probably what caused flaking. And also I feel like it's gonna define my hair a lot more if my hair is on the drier side, so that way again I won't have to apply as much product, and hopefully that will help with the flaking. Now my hair feels dry. Okay, I don't feel like there's any moisture in my hair, which is weird because I did add butter. So I don't know. It looks cute, but my hair feels dry. I'm gonna try it again though, and I'm gonna let you guys know what I think of it then. I do think that it's actually, I'm surprised by the hold that it's giving. But I'm gonna try it again to see if I could get it to flake less. Because I have faith in you. I do. I got faith in you, girl. I got faith in you, girl. Okay, so I had to come in and let you guys know that the flaking. Wow. I have never experienced flaking like this ever. Okay. It's horrible. It's terrible. And I don't know, again, I don't know if it's because I added the butter. I don't know if it's because I added too much of the gel cream thingy. I'm gonna try it again, like I said, but whoa, the flaking was ungodly. Like, it was horrendous. There was flakes everywhere. I just did this to my hair and flakes. So I just washed my hair out. I rinsed my hair out. I couldn't deal with it. Like, I literally couldn't deal with it. And it's been 2 days or one day when I did my hair on Christmas Eve, and today is the day after Christmas. I didn't take my hair out yesterday. It was Christmas. I did not take my hair out. I left it in. I just left it in my scarf. So I just took the scarf off today, and child, there was I should have taken a picture. Oh my god, why didn't I do that? I should have taken a picture. My bad, bro, but like, just take my word for it, okay? Crusty, like, flakes everywhere, okay? Residue all over. I couldn't take it anymore. I had to rinse it out. Like, no, like, I could just like move my head slightly and it would be flakes. My back, my shoulders, my face. I'm gonna try them again. I'm gonna try this again, but I'm gonna try it by itself, and the next time I'm gonna try my hair when my hair is more on the dry side, so that way I don't have to use too much of the product. And I just wanted to say, I just wanted to add the deep conditioner. So it's not the best at moisture, okay? Detangling, whoa, this is the slip on this bad boy. The slip on this is crazy. I love this for detangling. This is, yeah, but the moisture on it isn't there. It's not the most moisturizing deep conditioner. I'm gonna be honest, it's not. My hair still felt dry. Oh, I didn't say that, by the way. My hair felt so dry. My hair was so dry, like so dry. And again, I don't know if it's the cream gel, but also, like, yo, it says intense moisture on here, so there's no reason that my hair should have been dry. But like, my hair was it was dry. It was dry, crusty. Ugh. So definitely, if you're gonna use this, I would put a light but moisturizing leave-in conditioner on before you use that, because coming straight from this deep conditioner is not the tea, because this deep conditioner does not give you that moisture. So or maybe you can even use a deep conditioner that has a lot of moisture, that after you rinse it out, your hair is still fully moisturized and hydrated, and then you can go in with just this, because I have done that before. I have come from just deep conditioning and using no leave-in, no nothing, after rinsing out my deep conditioner, and went straight into styling, and my hair has never felt so crusty and dry in my entire life. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, by the way. I am a lot more active on Instagram, so go ahead and follow me over there, and be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that yet. And thank you guys so much once again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.